In the transport goods industry, it's all about delivering on time. This is only possible with a fleet that is maintained with high-quality replacement parts that can be relied on. As a divisional product development manager for Febi Truck, my aim is to develop a range that considers the needs of tomorrow, now. If we are talking about availability, you may have logistics in mind, but for me and my team, availability starts with us identifying new articles for future range expansion. We have our finger on the pulse of the market. This means we must understand our customers' needs and have a close relationship with our colleagues who are on site with them every day. I personally like to take the opportunity to visit customers face-to-face to gather valuable feedback and help develop the right parts at the right time for them. Working in product management gives me the pleasure of leading a project from conception to market launch, and seeing a febi box in a customer's warehouse or a workshop containing an item that I contributed to during its creation process fills me with pride.